We have been constantly evolving. We have been making motorcycles for the community, which makes the community to enjoy the pure motorcycling experience. Rebalance is the way we articulated our strategic vision for Royal Enfield. Rebalance as the business is our answer for ever-changing universe, which forces us to adopt a new strategy. We wanted to actually do a rebalance in the business on the human, machine and the terrain in a sustainable way with the greener operations as a background and providing a customer experience through a brand-led approach. For 123 years, we have been doing the IC motorcycles. When we do the balancing, what does it mean? There is a technology which was getting adopted by the consumers and the whole world is adopting is then electric vehicles. And that's how we also brought in for a sustained mobility. And the balance between the ICE and the EV is also the part of the rebalancing. We don't do motorcycles, as I mentioned, just because we have to make motorcycles. First of all, why are we making a two-wheeler and why do we make a motorcycle and why an electric vehicle? Royal Enfield, it's a company which is obsessed with the consumer insights because all of us are riders, we like motorcycles. We don't need to rush and then start making electric vehicles just because the whole world is doing it. We don't go in the direction which everybody is saying that's the direction. We'll always like to be differentiated. We'll always like to be questioning ourselves. The next platform which we are working on is L1. That's a city plus urban mobility motorcycle. Once again, it has to be very different, very distinctive. It should be a product which is nimble, maneuverable, gorgeous looking, easy to ride. This product is going to be a product which only Royal Enfield can make. When the teams are ready, products are ready, where the manufacturing is to be ready, then the next obvious thought process is the commercial team started working on what's a brand and how do we actually take it to the market, how do we launch the product. So within our organization, we were actually looking at, is there an inspiration which we will get from the history of Royal Enfield? That's when the Flying Flea came up. Flying Flea is lightweight, nimble motorcycle which was made by Royal Enfield at a point of time, and we really found the Flying Flea will be a fantastic short circuit between the tradition, the heritage and the modern technology which is required.